We never had anything, and we cannot have anything. Like, we cannot. To be honest, we cannot.
But it is alleged that you asked for money for sex.
My dear, I told you, even if he offers me billions, I cannot sleep with him, and he knows why. He knows why. He knows why, and he knows why. I'm going to say it again. He knows why I cannot sleep with him.
Why can't you sleep with him?
No, for that, let it remain as me. But I'm telling you, I cannot sleep with him. Even if he offers me 10 billion Uganda shilling, I cannot. Like, I cannot. I cannot. Let me call him again here, too.
It's off.
Just know that I cannot sleep with him. All I need is people to believe in me. I want my people also to believe in me, to be honest.
You didn't sleep with him?
I didn't sleep with him. No one will believe in me, but I didn't. I didn't, and I cannot sleep with him. You know, we have family, we have friends, we have in-laws, we have, you know, we have future. I'm just 28, you understand? I'm just 28 years. I have a very bright future. And money cannot make me do such, to be honest. Money cannot open my legs. Anyone who knows me out there, they know me. Even my friends knows me. I met rich men more than him. You understand? I come from a place of money. I come from Kenya.
What if he comes out and he portrays that you were mad in love with him? What could you do next?
For there, I'm going to bring the reason why there is nothing can be between us. I'm telling you, I'm going to bring the reason why. I have the evidence. I have the evidence that there is nothing can be between us. I'm going to bring the evidence. If he does any comeback, I'm going to bring the evidence. Nana nisikia akikuja. I'm just telling you.
Aren't you trying to threaten?
No, I'm not trying to threaten. Like, just know that he already spoiled my family's name. You know, people are even calling me kafiri. You know, people are calling. They are saying that I'm not Muslim. I'm a Muslim 100%.
Because you said that you could bear with his habits and vices of taking alcohol. No woman could bear about that. No woman. Even if I love him, I could not. No matter how much I love you. Yes, no matter how much I love you. Just know that there is nothing can be between us. If Mr. Lwasa comes out saying that I slept with him or he paid me money, I'm ready to bring the evidence why. Like, the evidence why I didn't sleep with him. You understand? Why couldn't you sleep with him?
No, just know that. Let him does the comeback. Yes, let him does the comeback.
Okay.
I'm not fine. Mimi siko mzuri wala. Watu wote wanadhani kwamba mimi na wewe tumelala. Unasikia? Watu wote, family yangu, the social media and everyone. Nawaambia watu mimi sikuwa naijua. Niliambia wao kwamba mimi na wewe hakuna kitu tumewaifanya, lakini hakuna mtu ananiamini Mr. Lwasa. And just know that mimi nimekasirika kwako. Like I'm not happy with you, Mr. Lwasa. Unanisikia? Yes, because no one is believing in me. You know, hakuna mtu ananiamini. Niliambia watu mimi sijalala na yeye, lakini hakuna mtu ananiamini. You know, for sure ulinifanya vibaya. Because the first time uliniambia ni mtu mmoja. Naona watu, interviewers, they are almost millions. Na inaniumiza, watu wananiita malaya, watu wananiita maskini, yani sina pesa. Nilifanya kwamba pesa. You understand? So kona pesa umewahi nipatia kusema ukweli? Is there any money you ever gave me, Mr. Lwasa? Just niambie. Because here you're in loudspeaker, hata watu wangu wanakusikia. Umewahi nipatia? The time. But I think that's enough evidence, right?
didn't sleep with him?
I didn't. Anyone who understands Kiswahili, they had me asking. They had me asking him. He never gave me a single coin, not even 5,000. Not even 5,000. We just had that business that has been going on. I had my gold buy and all that stuff. So just know that we didn't have anything. But even back home, they're not believing in me. Now in home, they believe in me that for me, I'm not a person who's like that. You understand? So I'm just like, no one's believing in me. But my family believe in me that I didn't have sex with him. Like I didn't. Nothing can happen between us, and he knows that. He knows that. I'm not going to talk about like the reason, but there is nothing that can be between us.